Today we are doing the Blossom Skirt from Retro Sparkle Designs with the elastic waistband and the optional shorts underneath. You are going to need 2 of your short pieces. You will need 2 of your band pieces with the elastic, and then 2 of your layers of the skirts, the top, middle, and the bottom. To start, we're going to take the short pieces and put them right sides together, clip along the crotch edges there, and go ahead and serge those pieces. Next, you're going to open them up and then put the crotch pieces together and clip along those edges and serge. You'll flip those right sides out and then just put them to the side for now. Now we're going to work on our skirt pieces. We're going to take the top layer and right sides together. We're going to clip and sew the edges. Repeat for the middle and repeat for the bottom layers. Flip all of your skirt pieces right sides out and set them aside. Now we're going to work on our band piece, and again we're doing the elastic band. So for this, you're going to clip along the edges of the band and your elastic and sew them together. And then you'll take your elastic piece and you'll put it inside the waistband and make sure it's like encapsulated, and then you will quarter it, and then we'll take our skirt and put them together. We're going to take the shorts, and then with the bottom skirt layer we'll sandwich that in between the skirt and the shorts, and do that again for each layer. After you have all of those pieces attached, you are going to take your waistband piece and attach it to the top of the skirt, making sure to grab all 3 of those layers and then serge around the edge. Making sure all 5 layers are sandwiched properly, go ahead and serge around the top. And then use your favorite way of hemming, either with a 1/4 inch or with the lettuce hem. Hem around each layer of the skirt. And now you have your finished blossom skirt with the added shorts. I just went ahead and lettuce hemmed the shorts as well, and your piece is complete. Be sure to follow us on Facebook, subscribe here on YouTube, and follow along with our next sew along.